Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you how you can start making money by literally just browsing the web. I'm going to show you a brand new money making method in today's video, so make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to make it some money in 2020 and for just browsing the web like you do already, guys. I'm going to show you multiple methods inside of this one video, so make sure you keep watching and let's get started with today's money making method. So I want to show you something real quick, guys. This is going to be a old actual method how you can make money right now in 2020. It is called Crypto Tab Browser. I'm going to leave the link down in the comment section of this video and inside of the description, guys. So make sure you go over there, make sure you check it out, guys, so you can get started right away making some money with cryptocurrency on Crypto Tab Browser. You can literally just start to mine some crypto while you browse the web like normal, guys. And this does use some of your hardware inside of your mobile device or your computer, so make sure you be aware of that. And you can start mining some crypto for doing nothing. There's even a cloud boost that I use every single day on my mobile device and just get a boost for this actual cryptocurrency. So as you can see, I already got up to $2.18 in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin for just mining on this browser, guys. So this is gonna be a quick one for this one just because it is a old method, and I just want to get you guys into this method so you can start making some money if you're interested. So let's move on to the next method. So this is going to be the first and the brand new money making website browser that you can download right now in 2020 and get your free 20 netbox.coins for free, guys. And that is roughly around 60 cents, I believe, guys, for just signing up and getting started making money with this browser. And I believe that this one pays the highest out of all of these browser paying websites or applications like Crypto Tab Browser and like Coco Browser and like others, guys. So this is going to be the first of its kind. This is the first decentralized blockchain backed website browser. Be free, be smart, be independent. Surf the web with netbox.browser and get rewarded. So I'm going to show you that inside of my account. So I just want to show you the home screen of this on Crypto Tab Browser so I can make some money through Crypto Tab Browser itself instead of like Google Explorer or Google Chrome, or Internet Explorer, my Firefox, and all of the other ones, guys, that don't pay you anything to actually use them. So I'd highly recommend you guys just getting used to using like Crypto Tab Browser, this one, and like Coco Browser or any other one that's just going to pay you to use the browser itself. And I'm about to show you a cool application, guys, that's going to help you get some more money by using this actual browser, any browser at that, guys. So I'm about to show you that in a minute. So let's go inside of this application so I can show you how it works, how easy it is, and how I'm using it to make some passive income in multiple methods. So this is what my computer is doing 24 hours a day, guys, while I'm not making videos, while I'm not at home, while I'm watching movies, while I'm asleep. This is how my browser is looking on this brand new crypto browser, guys, or this brand new browser, decentralized browser at that, the Netbox right here, guys. So I have this running 24 hours a day because it refreshes the whole page, which keeps it fresh, guys, and it making me some money. So as you can see, all of this is just me earning some money with this browser, guys. And it's, again, this is the highest paying one out of Crypto Tab Browser, out of everything that you guys possibly use. So as you can see, I just recently got my money like yesterday for the first 20 netbox, or net tokens. And as you can see, from that point forward, I'm getting like 0.7, 0.3, 0.4, 0.007. This is me barely starting off this application. And if the more you use this application, the more money you get. So what I'm doing is just running random Satoshi on this and using Hideout on Crypto Tab Browser so I can earn some money in crypto and earn some money inside of this, guys. So there is another way you can start making money with this same application, guys, while you're using it to browse and And on top of that, you can come over here and go to the stake account as well, guys, and you can input some money inside of here and start to stake this coin and make some passive income, guys. So what staking mean is that you're just going to transfer a currency inside of here, which is going to be the NBX currency, which is the currency you're actually using whenever you're surfing the web and start to make some real money like through this account, guys. Then you can come in and deposit some money inside of this stake account, and then you're just going to start making some money almost every single day for just leaving some money inside of this platform and pretty much like believing in the platform in a way. So it says you can transfer your NBX to the staking pool to help blockchain generating new blocks. As a payback for staking rewards, you'll be transferred to your wallets. The amount of NBX's staking pool is shown in staking balance block. Transferring NBX to staking pool may take some time. Normally it would take only 30 confirmations, guys, approximately 30 minutes. So you just pretty much put some money inside of this to help out the whole decentralization of this platform, and then you're gonna get some money to do that. So as soon as I can get like enough, like 200 or 100 of these NBX coins, I'm just gonna deposit it inside of this account and let the account grow on its own, so I can be earning like double. I'm earning money from browsing the web, and I'm earning money from staking, and on top of that I'm earning money from just running random Satoshi all at the same time, guys. So let's keep on with I'm going to show you how you can start making some money and doing the stuff that you already do, like through the browser and going through websites, guys. So this is the website right here, guys, called Login Hood sites, and this pays you to for them to study your data, study the sites you go, so you can get some advertisements that you want to see, possibly that you might buy, and just earn some money to let them see the data. They have options to view your data, view files in browser, or download them for your own storage. So there's different methods that you can make money with inside of Login Hood, and I already have payment proof right here, guys. I recently just got this yesterday, and I did not know that I didn't have my accounts logged in on this browser. If not, I would have made a lot more money than what I made this PayPal method, this PayPal proof. But next month or in a couple of weeks, I should be getting some more money from Login Hood, and I'll be making an updated video or just a payment proof in the community tab on my YouTube channel, guys. So I just wanted to show you this one real quick. So you can actually run Login Hood onto your actual Netbox or Netbucks website. As you can see, the site just refreshed, so I'm just going to keep accumulating money up here, guys, as time goes on, and then eventually just redeem this money for some free USD currency or fiat currency, or maybe just leave it in crypto and just start to multiply that money over and over again. So this is like a four-part method that you can just start making some passive income every single minute of the day. Right here, this random Satoshi website refreshes every single minute, so I'm making money from there. And apart from that, I'm making money from each coin, so Ethereum, Doge Satoshi, Litecoin Satoshi, Bitcoin Satoshi, every single minute. And at the same time, I'm getting money from the Login Hood at the same time that I'm using this. And on top of that, I'm making some money through Hideout TV, which is a TV service which gives you points, and then those points are redeemed for more random Satoshi. While I'm making money from random Satoshi, I'm also making money on the Crypto Tab browser as well. And then while I'm making money from the Crypto Tab browser as well, so I'm using this to my advantage. I'm using all of this money making websites right now all at the same time while I sleep, and that's like 4 or 5 different sources of income. They might be less than pennies, but if you think about it, guys, the more they add up and the more they just keep accumulating, it's just gonna be adding up a lot of money at the end of the day. So while I'm doing this, while I'm doing the same thing that I do every single day on my browser, I'm also making like 4 or 5 times the amount of money that I wouldn't be making if I wasn't using these websites. So I just wanted to show you guys these websites so you can get started making some money while we're all at home. We can possibly be watching movies, making some cryptocurrency. As you can see, it just keeps on refreshing and growing my account, guys. And I also have a method that I showed you what random Satoshi Satoshi is and how I use it, and I actually go into more detail on random Satoshi. So if you guys want to go over there, check out my channel. So you should come over here to my YouTube channel. You should check out some of my other previous videos, like paid every 60 seconds. That's 2 times. So I found 2 different websites that pay you out every minute, and there's the other one right here, guys, that says pay every 60 seconds. So there's different money making methods within my YouTube channel. If you guys want to go over there and check them out, so you can start making some money right now, guys, in 2020. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.